Hello guys, and this is how you edit photos using Microsoft tools. This is what you see right here. This is the Microsoft default photo editing, or even photo showing. All right, this is how do you see photos, and you have some nice options to edit your photos. So what you want to do is usually if you want to crop, there's a lot of options. I'll show you what all the options you can do. So what you want to do is edit and create, and go to edit. Now I usually use it for crop and rotate. So let's say I want to use this, I want to do something for this photo. I want to see only this part, and take this out, take this out a little bit. Right, so you can do whatever you want and crop the image as you want. There is more options here. You can rotate, which means you can do that way too. You can rotate just like if it's not in the wrong direction, and you have reset. So just put it back to normal. I also have aspect ratio if you want to change that to widescreens or to different sizes. So you can do that as well. Now this is for cropping and do all that. Oh, there is one more thing there. So we have in here, so instead of pressing crop and rotate, you have enhance your photos. You see it's a little different, as you see. Shows a little more details. You can play around with it, and you have all sort of filters here, just like any other editing app. Same thing, just you can do that on your computer. Sometimes it's more easy, sometimes it's not. You can play around with it here. Then you also have adjust. So same thing, you have light. You can play around with the light a little. You can play around with the colors. You see a little more colors, less colors, and clarity. You can see it helps a little actually. Now the options you have is save, and save is gonna replace the old photos. So you see save your edit and replace the original. You're not gonna have two of them. You have undo all, you don't want to mess around with it, and you have save a copy, which means you have the original one and you have the newer one. Alright, that's the options, and you can do, of course, undo all. Another option you have here, it's pretty cool, is draw. So you can draw on the picture. So let's say if it's a screenshot of some sort, you can draw things on the thing here. You have a bunch of options, so you can choose the colors, you can choose the size, thicker or thinner. You can change the different pen. So you have this kind of a pen, or it's maybe a pencil. You can change the pencil too. That's kind of a different pen. And again, you can play around with them, size and colors with all of them, and that's supposed to be the eraser, if I'm not mistaken. So you can just erase stuff. No, it's not erasing this. Okay, so erase all ink. And the other options, of course, you have is just to save and save a copy. You don't have save and replace the original one, I see, and that's just cancel everything. Alright, that's pretty much all. You can have a pretty share, and you have a rotate from right here, or delete. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much.